Hello everybody and welcome back to Crypto Time. Hopefully you guys can hear the audio difference. I am in love with this new microphone. Let me know if you guys can tell the difference because I'd love to get some feedback on it. There are some more filters I'd love to put on it and I'm probably going to be working with it in the next couple of videos. So hopefully the quality will increase even more. But I'm very excited about this microphone and I should have the new lighting in the next couple of days. So with that being said, today we're going to be talking about why the market hasn't moved out of this channel that we've been in the last couple of months, as well as I have a part 2 review in this video, so make sure to stay for that as well if you'd be interested. Basically, we have not broke this channel for about 2.5 months now. If we go to the 3-month chart and I zoom in a little bit, oopsie, a little too much. We have not broken this channel from about, now I don't even want to say 9K because it was for a very short time we were above 8K, but I'll say 9K to about 6K. And we've been in this channel in terms of Bitcoin for so long, and the reason being is there's been so much manipulation that has happened over the past month or 2 months. Now we've had SEC drama, we've had ICO drama, we've had Mt. Gox is a killer. We've had Mt. Gox drama, we've had Coinbase drama, we've had news drama, stock market drama, economy drama. There has been so much negative news in the past 2 months. Now that's not to say that there hasn't been bullish news in cryptocurrency. That's not to say that there hasn't been good news in cryptocurrency. But for the very large majority, most of the sentiment is very negative in terms of Bitcoin. There have been individual projects that are making really good progress. There have been individual ICOs that have come out, individual altcoins that have done very well in this market, example EOS. But for the most part, Bitcoin has had very negative sentiment for the past 2, 3, even 4 months. And that's a huge issue in terms of growth. So what we see is every time we make some kind of movement, there's huge sell-offs, or some kind of news drops. It's happened every single time. We get close to 9K or we get close to 10K, Mt. Gox sell-off, SEC drama, etc., etc. Right now, the consensus is going on. Hopefully, that's an instigator of some kind of bullish movement. It was last year. However, it didn't happen right away, and we're on some kind of movement before. But right now, we cannot break this channel. And unfortunately, as we're seeing today, the way that Bitcoin moves determines the market. You guys are not new to that. You guys know that when Bitcoin falls, the altcoin market follows. When Bitcoin rises, the altcoin market follows. There are very few and far between projects that can do well despite Bitcoin's daily trend, right? Going up or down. So we have to break this channel. How are we going to do that? We need more volume coming into the market. We need new investors. We need new money coming into the market. As well as we need to avoid these huge drops of news or these huge sell-offs that are coming from, for example, Mt. Gox. And in order to do that, we're going to need new money to come into the scene. We're going to need a lot of interest to come into the scene. So that's my take of why the market has not been able to break this channel. I believe the market, again, today is under 380 billion or under 400 billion. We're at 380 billion. Now, I'm very hopeful for the future, and I still think that this summer is going to be great for cryptocurrency. I think we will eventually break that 10K barrier, which will send us into a bullish trend, and the market will follow, and the altcoin market will follow Bitcoin. So I'm still excited. I'm still hopeful. I don't want you guys to take this video as me being negative and sad about the market, because that's not true. I'm still very optimistic. You have to be optimistic to be involved in cryptocurrency. But that's just what I think is happening. I think there's a lot of manipulation going on. I think there's a lot of negative news currently affecting Bitcoin. And there's just not a lot of outside interest with Bitcoin right now. Like I said, when we break the 10K barrier, we get into the 5-figure mark again. I think a lot of people's eyes are going to perk up and they're going to say, hey, oh, I should get on the train again before it gets to 20K, 25K, etc., etc. But we need to get out of this manipulative state and we need to break this channel. So that is my take on what's been happening over these last couple months. That's why we've been so stagnant. Now, that's all I have for you guys today on this subject. Like I said, I do have a review set up for you guys, so let's go on to that. Now, this is the Carboneum part of the video. This is a sponsored review, but I'm not being paid to show the token to you guys or to tell you to buy into it. I'm only being paid to give my honest opinion, and that's what I'm going to do. So a little backstory on why I'm doing the sponsored review video. My channel is actually not monetized by YouTube. For some reason, I've been waiting for 5 months now, and I know a lot of channels who have 5 times my numbers who are still waiting to be monetized. So there's really no way for me to monetize my channel, and these ICO reviews are a great way for me to do that and earn an extra little income on the side from the channel. So I know that some people aren't interested in ICO reviews. That's fine. I'll have a regular video out tomorrow. But if you are interested and you have stayed for this part, I really do appreciate it. And this is actually a platform that I'm really excited for, to be honest. Now, to be transparent, I'm not going to be investing into Carboneum, but I am going to be a user of it. And I think that Carboneum is doing something interesting and different. And the thing with the ICO market nowadays is that it's kind of just like everything getting a blockchain, right? Like food delivery, blockchain; cooking, blockchain; computers, blockchain. Like, it's just all of these different ways to incorporate blockchain within different markets. And Carboneum is doing something different that I actually am really interested in. So I'm going to talk about the things that I like, the things that I'm excited for as a user or as a future user for Carboneum, hopefully. Then I'm going to show you guys this video, and then I'm going to talk about the things that I don't really like about the website and things that I think they could make a little better to be more appealing. So what is Carboneum? It is a social trading platform. Basically what that means is it is a leader-follower system. So if there's ever been somebody that you hear is just a great day trader, you wish you could make trades like them, you wish you could follow their trades, well, now you can with Carboneum. So there will be a leader and there will be a pool of followers. Now the system works on a multi-signature smart contract. So basically there is a pool where all of the followers will put their money. It'll be locked up into a smart contract. The smart contract will be traded according to the leader, and then you will get the funds back. The leader gets 10%, Carboneum gets 1%, the pool gets 89% of the profits. So the leader is definitely being tipped for the work they're doing, but all you have to do is, if you're a follower, is put the money in the pool is locked up, the leader doesn't have access to it, so you can't run off with your money. And then if the trade does not go well and the pool actually loses money, nor the leader or Carboneum get paid their percentage. So the leader doesn't get 10%, Carboneum doesn't get 1%, the pool is just distributed back to the followers. So it's actually a really cool system that promotes trust and promotes a system where there'll be a healthy community that's not all trying to scam each other, right? Because if the leader was still making money no matter what he did, obviously he wouldn't really be incentivized to do the right thing. But this system really incentivizes people to do the right thing. So they also have a safety belt system that I'm going to read you guys here. It says a stop loss order is placed to sell and buy your order when it reaches a certain price. Stop loss orders are designed to limit an investor's loss on position in cryptocurrency. Our safety belt feature will enable you to set up automatic safety for all of your trades. All the risks is now manageable. This is especially convenient when you could not monitor your position for a long period of time. So on top of all that, it's a decentralized system and the distribution is decentralized. So like I said, the leader doesn't have access to the funds. The pool doesn't have access to the fund once they're in there. It is a locked up smart contract. Once the trade is complete, then the funds are distributed as the way I said before, 10% leader, 1% Carboneum, 89% to the pool. And that is, as I said, if it is a successful trade. If it's not, only the pool gets their money back, or what they have left of their money. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys this video a little bit. Hopefully that's kind of an introduction to the system. When I heard about it, it definitely piqued my interest, because I know there's a lot of people that I would be interested in following in terms of their trades. So this is definitely an interesting system, and maybe this video will give you a little better idea of what I'm talking about. So here you guys go.
Investing in cryptocurrency could probably be described as you're trying to be a pilot by yourself. No matter how much information you have, you still have no idea how to deal with it. But now, you can invest in cryptocurrency in the simplest and most transparent way possible. Carboneum is powered by the Stockwriters team, who developed an online stock trading and analytical platform that has over 680,000 downloads, along with 4.8 million users via Line Finance. Carboneum, an openly distributed protocol, is creating a democratized social trading platform. It's a tool for every user to follow expert traders and copy their trading orders automatically, like a pilot using autopilot system for flying an airplane. The platform comes with a revolutionary fee structure. Success fee will be collected upon each and every, but limited only to successful or positive yielding trade. Carboneum is using blockchain technology. Carboneum will be allied with all cryptocurrency exchanges, making it a go-to platform for all cryptocurrencies enthusiasts to ensure seamless and borderless experience for cryptocurrency investment for everyone. Last but not least, as a group, we don't want investment to be treated like you're a pilot of an airplane. It should be like you are riding a bicycle. Carboneum will be your helmet and training wheels to help you along the way. Carboneum, investing made simple. Be a part of this revolution investing experience by joining our whitelist at Carboneum.io.
So hopefully that gave you guys a little bit of a better insight maybe than I could. I like to explain things in kind of layman terms and really get the ideas out there and get you to what they're trying to do. And like I said, this is actually an idea that I would back up and that I like and that I would probably be a user of if the right person signed up and the right leader signed up. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of it. Now let's talk a little bit about the things that I would change. And this is more of like a front end change for me. Like I said, I really like the idea, and I know they have a pretty sound team. But in terms of the website, that's what I'm really going to be talking about, because visuals and first impressions are huge, especially when it comes to an ICO asking to fundraise and asking to raise money. And the first thing that kind of came to my mind when I went to the website before learning about what it is that the website is extremely bland. The website needs some color. The website needs features. The website needs just a little more to it, a little more oomph, if you know what I'm talking about. So definitely I'd like to see some patterns on the website, maybe some layers in terms of background. I'd really like to see the website kind of revamped and much more appealing to the eye. I get what they're trying to do with the simplistic and the basic look. I understand that. However, for me, it just feels a little lackluster and a little barren. So I would definitely like to see a revamp for the website in terms of just a front end look. Now, another thing for me, which I'm huge on, is roadmaps. Again, the roadmap is a little lackluster. It's lacking description and definition. What I like to see on a roadmap is, if, for example, right here, it says the 30th of June ICO closes. I like for them to expand on that and tell me kind of what you're planning to do after the ICO closes. What are your plans with the funds? Where's our money going to be distributed? Just go into detail about what the plan is. Don't just give me a sentence about what you're going to do. Tell me how you're going to do it, when you're going to do it, where you're going to do it, etc. So I really like when roadmaps go into detail. Again, I get that the roadmap isn't supposed to be this huge, glorious thing, but I would love if every project really treated it that way. That's my review of it. Oh, here's the token metrics, by the way. So there's going to be 120 million tokens for sale. Their hard cap is going to be 12 million, soft cap 1.2 million. 1 ETH will be 8,000 Carboneum tokens. Now their distribution is going to be 60% to the pre-sale and ICO, 20% company, 12% team and partners, 5% advisor, 3% rewarding tokens. So those are the token metrics. Now overall for the project, just off of what it has the potential to do, I'm going to give this about an 8.5 to a 9. If I was just basing it off the front end website and what I'm seeing in my first impressions, it would definitely be down to like a 7, 6.5, just because, like I said, it doesn't really feel like a full website. It kind of just feels like a template and it feels very basic. So that's definitely something, if the Carboneum team is watching this, I would definitely work on the website. I would definitely work on the roadmap. Overall, I really like your project. I think it shows a lot of promise. And make sure to let me know in the comments, guys, what you think of the project. Because like I said, this is something that I would be interested in using. I'm not going to be investing in, but as just a user, I'm definitely interested. So thank you guys so much for watching this ICO review. I appreciate it. Again, let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, everybody.